Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your hardware supports virtualization and enabling VTX or AMD in BIOS. This step lets the VM use your CPU directly. Next, install your chosen hypervisor. Pick one you know or need, like VirtualBox or Hyper-V, so you can create VMs. Once done, open the hypervisor and create a new virtual machine profile, allocating at least 2 cores, 4 GB of RAM, and a reasonable disk size. This gets you into the creation flow without delay. You now boot the VM from the attached ISO and proceed through the guest OS installer as you would on physical hardware, choosing partitions and settings. Make sure to enable a dynamic or thin-provisioned virtual disk to save host space, and turn on features like 3D acceleration or nested virtualization only if needed. After the OS finishes installing, immediately add guest additions or VMware tools to install drivers. This fixes networking, display scaling, shared folders, and clipboard so the VM integrates with your host. You finish by applying updates inside the VM, installing required applications, and creating a snapshot to capture this baseline state. Snapshots let you revert if something breaks. Make sure networking mode matches your needs. NAT for isolation or bridged for full LAN visibility, and set up shared folders or port forwards as required. If the VM fails to boot, check that virtualization is still enabled in BIOS, verify the virtual disk file, and review hypervisor logs. Those steps usually reveal misconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.